The construction program at GMTCC is about building houses. In this class, students will actually build a residential house for someone in the community from start to finish. This program began more than 20 years ago, and since then 50 houses will have been built with the completion of this one. The instructor of this program, Greg Stokes, has overseen the building of 14 of them so far.
Actually, the homeowner makes the plans. He lays it out and describes it. Our only criteria is each half has to be 13 feet wide, because we got to build like what they call marriage walls in between. We can put headers, they can design anything across, and we can have openings anywhere. But they need to understand, we work with the homeowner, and the homeowner comes in and establishes it and tries to work with the students also.
This ranch-style house was built by GMTCC students in 2011. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a total area of 2,800 square feet, including the basement. Students from the electrical program did all the wiring, including the hookup of solar panels, which takes care of the large part of its electrical costs. There's definitely a lot to know about contracting to build a house, and if students already have math skills, that would be a step in the right direction. Like how to make accurate estimates of materials and costs, billing, and how to communicate and work with clients.
We start doing volumes, we do yards, concrete square foot, cubic foot, understanding volumes so they understand for concrete. Also dirt work, how many truckloads it actually takes, tandem truckload, which is 14 yards, how many truckloads they have to dig out for a building, which this is 26 by 56, how much they actually have to do. And math is predominantly thing, geometry, trigonometry, all that, all the algebra skills. They need all those before they can come into this class, or they should have the basis so they can actually apply them.
A crucial part of a contractor's work is estimating costs of everything, from labor and materials to sales tax. Wrong or incomplete estimate could be the fatal flaw in this kind of work, and students are required to learn all about it.
Estimating is a key for the kids to understand not only how much each individual gets paid, but how much workman's comp is added onto them. You know, even though they're getting $10 an hour, what their boss has to charge out for his boss just to break even. And then estimating for materials, understanding the concept like this deck is over $3,000 and building it, and then you got to add time and labor and to understand the concept of putting the whole package together.
The U.S. Department of Labor promotes safety in the construction trades through its Occupational Safety and Health Administration. It's known as OSHA.
We have an OSHA 10 class, so we give them the basic principles, because this is just an entry position. They understand building codes, what they're supposed to be doing, but like certain codes, 2x6 exterior walls, you know, the basic minimum standards they should understand in residential. More elaborate codes they will not get into until they actually get to the job site.
These students are getting excellent training in the basics that could be applied to any number of related careers.
They could be estimators, they could be safety inspectors. This is just touching. They could go into roofing, plumbing. They can decide what they would like to do and then specialize in it. I have 2 students that I just talked to last night that actually went to VTC. One went in electrical engineering and one went into the civil part of it. And they're both working. One was working for Ireland, and the other one is working for a company in Essex where the electrical base, they're doing control systems and stuff like that.
If you'd like to know more about this program, call GMTCC at 802-851-1573.